There's breaking news just coming in. There's been a grenade attack in Srinagar, and what we're picking up at the moment is that 3 civilians have been injured in this attack. The grenade was lobbed in a busy street, the Hari Singh Street of Lal Chowk in Srinagar. More details are awaited on this particular incident, but this is the first up information trickling in at this point of time. The Jammu and Kashmir grenade attack. You've got a grenade that has been lobbed in busy Hari Singh Street of Lal Chowk in Srinagar. At the moment, 3 civilians injured in this attack. This is in the heart of Srinagar, viewers, that we're getting you those visuals as well from Hari Singh Street of Lal Chowk. Terrorists have targeted busy market and Lal Chowk area of Srinagar. We're expecting more details to trickle in. We'll continue updating you as we go along the way. All right, that's the big story we're picking up at the moment. Ashraf Wani has more details on this. Let me encapsulate for our viewers who have just tuned in. 1, there's been a grenade attack in Srinagar. 2, what we're picking up is that it has happened in the busy Hari Singh Street of Lal Chowk in Srinagar. Number 3, what we're picking up is that 3 civilians have been injured in this attack. We're getting some reaction coming in. Listen in.
अटैक किस पे था? 2:40 के लगभग किसी मिस्क्रेंट ने एक ग्रेनेड को जो है एसएसबी का एक बीपी गाड़ी बंकर है यहाँ पर, उसको टारगेट करते हुए एक ग्रेनेड को फेंका जो कि गाड़ी से टकराकर नीचे गिर गया और उसमें लगभग 2 सिविलियन मामूली रूप से इंजर्ड हुए हैं।
तो सर किसको टारगेट किया गया था?
मैंने कहा ना, एसएसबी की एक बंकर यहाँ पे मौजूद है और उसको टारगेट किया गया था। बेसिकली उसी पे टकरा के। नो इंजरी टू सिक्योरिटी फोर्स पर्सन।
Ashraf Wani is joining us for the very latest on this story. Ashraf, we heard it from the security personnel on ground who gave us a first-up reaction. Even he has mentioned that there's been a grenade attack. 3 civilians have been injured, and this has happened in the busy Lal Chowk area. But are there more details trickling in terms of who was responsible for these attacks?
Chiti, so far it has not been found that who was the responsible for this attack, but probably it is believed that it was a militant attack who have targeted a bunker of the police in the area, and at that time when Rahul Gandhi is in Srinagar, and also it is the busiest part of the Srinagar city, Hari Singh Estate, very near to Lal Chowk, where this grenade was lobbed towards the security forces but exploded on the road and resulting the injuries to 3 civilians who were walking at that time on that road. Now area has been cordoned off, the search is on, but it is very difficult to find or nab the attacker who has carried out this grenade attack on the security forces in the city center of Lal Chowk.
Absolutely. Ashraf Wani with those details right there. We'll get more details trickling in and we'll continue updating our viewers on this particular story. For now, thanks Ashraf for joining us with the very latest details. In the meanwhile, there's more breaking news coming in, cutting straight across to it.